My name is Anish Kamble. I was studying in Vidya Vikas and I've scored 98.2% in Cbse board, class 12th. Every day, like 1 hour after coming from school, and tuitions were there, so only 1 hour I used to get to study. So, and then after, when like few months were there for the exams, like last 2 months, I should study for like 5 to 6 hours every day. I answered the NEET, so I'm planning to get admission in GMC for MBBS. To study consistently, like coming in 11th, at least 1 hour every day, and do all the topics. Don't leave any for like the exam. And questions to practice daily. I was studying in Manavika school till 10th standard, and I was a Goa state topper for ICSE class 10th board exam, scoring 99%. So I thank my mother, my father, my sister, my whole family actually, my teachers at Vidya Vikas, at my coaching, Akash, and everyone. Many people actually have supported me a lot. So I thank them for my success.